Because nothing is more fundamental to a happy, productive, and fulfilling life than a brain that operates at optimal capacity. I wanted to share some simple dietary strategies for boosting your brain power. First of all, make sure you feed your brain the right fats. The type of fat in your diet has a profound impact on the structure and the function of your brain. And the queen of the healthy brain fats are those omega-3 fats found in oily fish like salmon and tuna, herring and sardines. You can also find omega-3 fats in walnuts, canola oil, flax seeds, and those wonderful omega-3 eggs. Omega-3 fats make up the majority of the solid structure of your brain. As an additional bonus, we also know that omega-3 fats are fantastic for promoting healthy blood flow and minimizing excessive inflammation, two other very valuable brain benefits. The second make me happier and smarter brain fat are the monounsaturated fats. And these would include extra virgin olive oil, canola oil, nuts and seeds, and avocados. These fats promote healthy blood flow just like the omega-3s do, and they also tend to stabilize neuronal cell membranes. So be sure to include the monounsaturated fats in your diet regularly. Your second big strategy on the dietary front is to provide your brain optimal fuel. As the CEO of the entire body, the brain has enormous fuel requirements, and unlike all the other cells in the body, is 100% dependent on glucose for its metabolic fuel. For optimal operation, your brain requires a constant and steady source of glucose. The brain's preferred foods for fuel include whole grain products, beans, fruits, and veggies. These whole food carbs provide a prolonged and steady source of blood glucose that your brain loves. You want to be sure on the carb front, though, to minimize the great white hazards. That's what I call white flour products, white rice, white potatoes, and of course sugar and sweets. These foods lead to rapid fluctuations in blood glucose and blood insulin levels that impair memory and learning and your mood. In addition, your arteries cannot stand great white hazards, and remember, healthy blood flow is important to have a healthy brain. Next, actually not last, this is second to last, exercise. The benefits of exercise for brain health are simply astounding. You literally can exercise yourself smarter. I'm proof in the pudding of that because I am not smart, but I did really, really good in med school because I exercised every single day. All right? So what do we know about exercise and its ability to help your brain? Well, almost at every level, what we know is it enhances memory and it also makes your brain more receptive to learning. Additionally, it can decrease stress and it can improve cardiovascular health. Again, both of those things will ultimately enhance cognitive function. And lastly, get in the habit of constantly infusing your brain with antioxidants. The brain is uniquely susceptible to oxidative damage from free radicals, and the superstar foods for combating the damage that free radicals can cause would include the following. First of all, fruits like the really, really, really good ones are berries, pomegranates, plums, oranges, red and green grapes, cherries, kiwi, and grapefruit. Second, what about veggies? Garlic, kale, spinach, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, avocados, red peppers, and purple onions are especially potent antioxidant foods. Freshly brewed tea is filled with antioxidants called catechins. I think tea provides the simplest, most relaxing way to infuse my brain with antioxidants. Red wine. A small glass of red wine with your dinner can really be a brain-boosting, healthy thing to do, but be sure it's okay for you to drink and talk to your doctor if you're not sure if it's allowed in your case. And what about the truly healthy dessert, dark chocolate? When consumed in a sort of prudent portion or in moderation, dark chocolate is filled with super potent antioxidants. In fact, it probably is the most potent antioxidant food of all. And lastly, a little pomegranate juice. Don't drink too much because there's a fair amount of sugar in it, but a small glass of pomegranate juice is a great sort of antioxidant tonic for your brain. For ICU, this is Dr. Ann.